about collision. Okay, so
Collision.
what is given here? What are collision? What are collision? Explain types of collision and develop the theory of a one-dimensional elastic collision. Okay, so see collision. Tell what is definition of collision. Tell definition. Tell collision.
Strong interaction between two bodies.
So what is collision? Write first a definition. Strong interaction
Between two bodies.
strong interaction between
Two bodies for short interval.
two bodies from
For short interval.
for short interval means very less time,
Interval of time, sir.
short interval,
And momentum is exchanged. And
momentum exchanged,
between two bodies.
momentum, okay, and momentum will change or exchange,
Exchange.
will exchange. So see, suppose I have two object, na? That is a mass m1, okay, and that is a mass
M2.
Assume here initial velocity is
U1.
and here now
U2.
See, after collision what will happen? After collision that velocity will exchange, okay. See, after collision suppose mass m1 has velocity now v1, got, and now mass m2 has
V2.
got. You tell, suppose you want collision here collision you want. So which value more, u1 or u2? Which value more, u1 or u2?
U2.
You want collision na? This u1 more, it will collide faster na?
Yes sir.
Suppose u2 more, it will further move.
Yes sir.
So never they will collide. Suppose you want collision, it means u1 more than
U2.
and this more na here, so it will collide na fastly. Suppose u2 more, it will not collide, it will go further. Not getting. Got that point? It means now here. So momentum conservation. Got. So what is momentum conservation? Tell. See, there are two types of elastic collision. Means collision. First is elastic collision. Tell what is elastic collision? There are two types.
In which both momentum and kinetic energy both conserve.
Momentum and
Kinetic energy
Conserve.
momentum after collision. So momentum and
Kinetic energy.
kinetic energy both
Conserve.
conserve. Okay, both conserve after collision. Got my point?
Yes.
Next, what is inelastic collision?
Only momentum.
Within
is
only
conserved.
momentum.
Inelastic only momentum. Okay,
Only momentum conserved.
only momentum conserved. In doubt?
No doubt.
Tell any example of that inelastic collision. Inelastic. See, suppose I have one ball. Suppose see here ball, 1% ball, and I have one rubber ball. I want to throw here. Suppose throw with 10 meter per second. So after collision also that will move with 10 meter per second. That is called elastic or inelastic. Elastic. Same velocity, same momentum. But suppose I have one iron ball and I want to throw here. So I have thrown with 10 meter per second. It will not come 10. It will go there down.
Yes.
So velocity after collision or before collision, same or different?
Different.
That is called inelastic collision.
Okay, sir.
One minute. So this right now. Otherwise,
Sir is thinking need.
so one dimension
Elastic collision.
elastic collision. Or you tell in one dimension elastic collision, only momentum will conserve or kinetic energy or both.
Only moment.
Elastic collision.
Both, sir.
Both. So we have to derive. That is a elec, I think. So here suppose m1 mass. Here now u1. Here m2
M2.
mass. Here velocity
U2.
u2. Okay. And now after collision, suppose here mass m1 and that has velocity v1. And here mass m2. Here velocity v2. Got my point? So first step I will momentum I will conserve. And next kinetic energy I will conserve. Okay. So what is momentum? Tell momentum conserve. Momentum conserve. So can we write P initial? What is meaning of momentum conserve? Momentum always constant. Conserve means constant. So P initial system equals to P final system. Got my point? See, in your system, how many particles? Sir, two
Two particles.
Two particles. So what is P initial tell? What is momentum formula? What is momentum formula? Mass into velocity. So here P initial now. So write mass of 1 into velocity of 1 initial plus mass of 2 velocity of u god equals to mass
of
of 1 into
V1 plus
plus
M2
mass into
V2.
Equation first. Second, I will use energy conservation. Okay, kinetic energy. Got my point? So write down
Means half mv square.
kinetic energy conservation. Why? Because that is elastic or inelastic? Elastic. So right here, kinetic energy initial of system, okay, equals to kinetic energy final of system. So what is kinetic initial tell?
Half mv square
m1 u1 square
plus 1 by
m2 u2 square equals to
half m1
v1
v1 square
plus half
half
m2
m1
square. That is lesson 2. Okay. Completed?
Yes, sir.
So once I tell that formula half
m1 u1 square plus half m2 u2 square equals to half m1 v1 square plus half m2 v2 square.
v2 square. What am I? Do one thing. This m1 and m1 both take same side. Common. Do now. Both take same side.
If you take common, we'll get
M1
u1 square minus u2
What?
square.
Find
If you
it.
take m1 common,
m1 take common. Find it. What is
u1 square u1 square
u1 square
minus v1 square.
v1 square.
Equals to
And see that 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 by 2 cancel out.
yes sir
Equals to here tell
m2
m2
u2 square. No,
v2 square
v2 square
minus u2 square.
u2 square. Got.
Yes sir.
Next what you will do? Next one. Where? Once I tell that formula tell. Finish and tell. That formula equation
m1 u1 plus
m1 e1
plus m2 u2
m2 u2.
equals to m1 v1
V1.
plus m2 v2
Next one how can you solve?
by dividing both.
Divide both now. Tell. Divide this 2 by 1 or 1 by 2.
2 by 1 1 by 2
Okay. Next year. How can you read here now?
m1
2 by 1 not there. And this by this one there. 2 by 1. Then let's read. Tell.
m1 u1 square
M1 U1
square
Square.
u1 minus
minus
v1 square v
that no right equals to
m2
M2
v2 square
V2 square minus
u2 square
divide
by
na here. Take one side
m1 u1 minus
minus M1 common is there. Is better na M1 take common. M1 take common. What is value? V1 minus
v1
V1. Here tell what is value? M2 take common. Here what is value? V2 minus
U2.
See, this M1 M1 cancel out. M2 M2 also cancel out. See, this is not A square minus B square. A plus B A minus B.
yes sir.
So can I write here U1 plus B1 into U1 minus B1
V1.
upon here U1
1 minus
is
v1
gone check.
yes sir
Similarly here A square minus B square there. So V2 plus U2 into V2 minus U2 upon V2 minus U2. This will go on check. Got my point?
yes
So
sir
can I write here
u1 minus
how much
u2
that sit there now? And here U1 plus V1, right? U1 plus V1 equals to U2 plus God. This U2 shift here. What did you get? U1 minus U2 equals to
v2 minus v1
That is your. See, that is called now. See here. Suppose. See, that is,
sir eraser
I told see. Suppose here mass na here M1 and that is velocity U1 na. Here mass M2. Here velocity U2. Here now after a collision, suppose mass m1, velocity v1. Here mass m2, velocity v2. See, that is called velocity of approach or separation.
Approach.
Okay. Got my point? And that is called velocity of
Separation.
separation. Got my point? Now see, here can write u1 minus u2. That is called velocity of approach. And this is called v2
Separation.
minus v1. You tell here this velocity more, this velocity more. It is moving fast, na? Got. So you got me there. What? u1 minus u2 equals to v2 minus v1.
V1.
So that is what called velocity of approach. Got. And that is equals to velocity of
Separation.
separation. That's okay. Completed.
Okay, sir.
Are you can I clean this?
Yes, sir.
Clean.
Wait. Suppose tell you want v1 you want v1 na there. v1 you want do one thing. First is that momentum formula. Momentum conservation that formula. Then momentum conservation formula m1. What is given there? u1 minus v1.
V1 equals to M2.
V2
v2 minus
U2.
u2. Wait. And what we got finally? u1 minus
U2.
equals to v2 minus
V1.
2 and 3. See. What you want here v1 now? So you want v1 in terms of u1 and u2. It says anyhow remove this v2. v2 I don't want. Arey we want v1 you want v1 na? This remove v2. I don't want v2.
So V2 equals to.
So wait, here from this equation to that equation first. Here tell what is v2 value. Here tell v2 value. Here. This shift here. So u1 minus u2 plus v1. That is your v2 now. This v2 value put there. Got my point? But you will get all equation in terms of v1, u1 and u2. Got? Tell what is value? Put, okay, here now start.
M1 U1 minus V1 equals to M2
M2.
U
What is
U1 minus
u1 minus u2 plus v1 minus u2.
U2.
Got a point?
Yes, sir.
So now multiply here. Now see, actually you want v1 now. Now see, there are two v1 terms. Here first v1, here now second v1. So now multiply here. Multiply. So multiply now here. M1 u1 minus M1. M1
V1 equals to
M1 V1 equals to
M2
U1
U1
minus
M2 V1
U2
U2
U2 here plus M2 V1 minus M2 U2. Do one thing, see. Sir, we want V1 V1. So this V1 term and this V1 term. Do one thing. This shift there and all shift right side, left side. Not getting. Are this minus M1 V1 shift this side. That will be plus M1 V1 and all shift
Okay, left.
left side. So see here M1 V1 got my point. So this shift
there.
there. Okay. Do one thing. This shift there and all shift here all shift that. See that and that shift left side till now. This is
M2 U2
minus
M2
M2 U1 plus
M2 U2
plus
M2 U2
2
equals to
and that is also written here. This shift then only this value shift the right side
okay.
and this side as it is. What do you write?
plus
Plus
M1 U2
equals to this shift there.
plus M1 V1
So M1 V1 plus
M2 V2
Not getting. Got my point? Tell them.
yes sir
See here U1 check. Here
that will cancel
here
out.
U1 here U1 not cancel because M1 and 2%.
Okay,
So
okay.
take a U1 common.
sir there is plus and minus no sir M2 U2 common no sir
M2 U2 here and U2
sir that one niche
M2
second one
2 M2 U2 this 2 M2 U2 and here take U1
Okay, sir.
common.
If we get common, we'll get 2 MPU2.
okay
Wait see what I think see This equation, this term.
Yes, sir.
Take a U1 common.
U1.
U1 common take. U1. Okay. And tell what is in bracket, that is M1 minus M2. Here.
Ah, yes.
U1. Take one. So M1 minus
M2.
And this is plus 2M2.
2M2.
U2.
Plus 2M2
2U2 equals to
here take V1
M1
come.
V-
V1 take come. V1. Next one.
M1
M1 plus
M2.
Do one thing. You want V1 this divide here.
Okay, sir.
What will tell? U1 M1 minus M2 upon M1 plus M2 plus 2 M2 U2 upon M1 plus M2 equals to V1. That is
V1.
answer. That is answer. Good. Can I clean now?
Yes, sir.
Up to one thing, see. Same that's both equation. First equation momentum there, momentum formula. Momentum there M. Here what?
U1 minus
U1 minus
V1.
what you telling me?
What, sir?
Are momentum formula.
M1 U1 plus
Are last I told moment U1 minus V1 equals to M2. Here what is
V2 minus
V2 minus
U2.
U2. Wait. And what I told you that separation U1 minus U2 equals to what is formula? V2 minus V1. And what you want now? V2. So this V1 remove. So here tell from this equation what is V1 value tell? That is equals to V2 minus U1 plus check once again. Check once again. That V1 now I have shifted left and all shifted right. That is plus V1 now. And that all minus V1 plus U2. Got my point? Then so now in this equation, put values of V2. Put V1 in this equation, first equation. In equation first. Till now, let's see. First open that. Open. M1. I tell all of you.
M1 into
M1
U1
U1 minus M1 V1 equals to
M2
and that
U2.
what is okay V2.
V2.
But here V1 you are not put up.
Okay.
Already, no?
हाँ yes sir.
What?
V1 के प्लेस में
चल till now
V2 minus U1.
V1 ना
हाँ.
so first keep
V2 ना सर. V1 के प्लेस में V.
okay here now that ना
हाँ.
V1
V2. हाँ. V1 के प्लेस में V2 minus U1 plus U2.
Here till now
M2.
Here now next V2
V2 minus U2.
Up to one thing M1 okay this U1 minus V2,
V2
plus U1 minus U2
U2
equals to here till M2 V2
V2
minus
minus
M1 U2. What am I? Here also multiply.
M1 U1 minus M2 M1 V2 plus M1 U1
minus
M1 U2
equals
to M2 V2 minus M2 V2 U2.
Do one thing. What do you want? What do you want? V2. Here is V2 10. Here V2. And here also V2 10. Do one thing. This V2 down shift left. And all this only. This only this. Shift right.
Okay. M1 U1.
Wait up. This is left side here. This shift na here.
Yes sir.
This. So
M2 U2 sir.
M2 U2. Here M1 U1. And this will go there now.
Yes sir. M1 U1 minus M1 U2
And this shift there now.
plus M2 U2
And this shift there.
M1 V2 plus M2 V2.
See, do V2 common. Here V2 common, okay?
Yes.
Wait, here check that is 2M1 E1. That is 2M1 E1. And here U2 take common, M2 minus M1. Not getting. So, what we can write then? Hello. Here, see.
M
Here 2m1
1
u1.
u1 minus
Take u1 u2 common now. u2 take common. What is value?
M1 plus M2.
Equals to, here take v2 common.
M1 plus
m1 plus
M2.
m2. Now you are what you want v2 now. This m1 plus divide. Divide now. Tell what is value? 2m1 u1 upon
M1 plus M2.
m2 plus here tell u2,
U2.
that is
M2 minus M1. M1 plus M2.
m2 equals to
V2.
always remember what momentum, inertia and kinetic.